Hey, what's up guys? Hostile Kid 54 doing a quick fireworks stash update video. Took a trip down to Hooksett today, picked up some stuff. They just got a shipment in from Big and World Class. Let's get started. Start off with the small stuff. We got a Escape from Mothership by Black Cat. Got a double parachute, night type, no brand on it. Got a package of Green Hornets. Moonlander by Brothers. They sent a flyer out in the mail. Any $4.99 firework free. I got the Garden and Spring by AAH. And now on to the 200 grammers. I got Death Wish by Big. I got Jesse James by Big. I got Doc Holiday by Dragon, which I believe is also made by Big. I got a Parachutes Over America. I got a package of the Boomer Boomer Roman Candles by World Class. I also got the Zeus Mortar Kit by World Class. Got the last one. Had to pick it up. Couldn't beat the price. I also got some fuse. I got Cannon fuse and some Perfect fuse. Rate, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. If you haven't checked out my other fireworks stash video of all my fireworks, check that out. Alright, take care guys. Take it easy.